Hi, welcome back. This video is going to teach you all about present continuous tense. Please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon below for you to become an expert in English grammar. You may also watch our video on verb tenses for a bigger picture and to get a general understanding on all the verb tenses. Present continuous tense is used when you want to talk about actions that are happening now and continues to the future. The sentences in present continuous tense has two be verbs, which are am, is, and are. It is then followed by verbs with ing. For example,
Pete is running a marathon.
In this sentence, Pete is the subject. Is the present tense of to be. And running is the present participle verb form. You can use this table as a simple formula on how to use to be verbs. For I, you should use am. For singular nouns, use is. And for plural nouns, you should use are.
Come on, puppies, it's getting late. Your food is waiting.
But we're still playing.
Well, it's getting dark already. If you listen to me, I'm going to let you to play again tomorrow.
Present continuous tense is usually used in the following scenarios. Actions that are happening now. Longer actions that are in progress. Actions expected in the near future. Repetition that uses the word always. And current trends. We will show you some examples for each scenario. Actions that are happening now indicate the present moment. For example,
I am reading an interesting storybook now. He is taking his lunch at the cafeteria. They are playing board games.
As you can see here, am, is, and are followed by the ing verbs. Longer actions in progress means the actions started in the past that are still in progress and continue to the future. For example,
I am studying to become a doctor. She is teaching at a private college. You are working on special projects.
Meanwhile, here are the examples for actions that are expected in the near future.
I am going to the football match tonight. She is meeting her friend after school. We are visiting them this weekend.
You may also write these sentences in simple future tense. For instance, we are visiting them this weekend can also be written as we will visit them this weekend. You can also use present continuous tense for repetition that uses the word always. This simply means the event happens all the time, whether it is past, present, or future. For example,
I am always misplacing my keys. It is always raining in London. They are always coming to class late.
Present continuous tense can be used to speak about trends, whether it is up or down. Here are some of the examples.
Shopping online is growing in trend nowadays. More people are using text messages recently. The shares are dropping due to the recession.
There are a few other uses for present continuous tense. You can use it to ask questions. For example,
Is she talking to her uncle? Are they coming for the party? Are you working this weekend?
Or, for negative sentences. For example,
I am not reading any books now. He is not listening to his mother. They are not going to sleep anytime soon.
regardless of the usage, the sentences in present continuous tense will always have a to be verb, followed by a verb with ing. If you have any doubts or questions on this lesson, please feel free to ask us. We are happy to help. Thanks for watching. We hope you have learned something new today. Keep watching our videos and share it with your family and friends. See you soon in our next video.